Thomas with Houston Paint Protection here with another big project that we just wrapped up. We have this 2025 Lexus IS500 final edition that came in for full car paint protection film. Paint protection film is the clear film that gets applied to the high impact areas of the car to block things like rock chips, scratches, bug stains, other damage from normal daily use. In this case, the owner opted for full car. Typically, we're doing the front end high impact areas, unless it's something like a track car, an off-road vehicle, something where you anticipate getting damaged, so you want to make sure you cover the entire thing. Or it's a one-off vehicle, maybe it's a special car to you, a toy, or something you're going to keep for a very long time, and you just want that peace of mind knowing it's protected. We shot this whole project from start to finish, so we'll show you guys in detail what it looks like for us to be able to kick work like this out the door. If you've got a new vehicle or something special to you that you would like to have refreshed or protected, you can give us a call or reach out to us on the website at houstonpaintprotection.com, and we'd be happy to walk you through our options.